Karis is the Greek word for grace. And the tagline of Lighthouse for Life is that grace wins. Karis Home is a place where these young ladies are going to be doing life, and they're going to live together. They're going to eat meals like a family. They're going to have a chance to live, love, laugh, cry, all the things that happen in real life. This is a place where they'll be reintroduced to that over and over and over again on a daily basis. Let's take a few minutes and let me show you around. This is where our girls come for their physical fitness piece. There's a lot of room in here where we play games. Sometimes we play ping pong. We have a boxing bag where we can take out our aggressions. This is a room for a lot of creativity, a room for a lot of laughter, a lot of sweating it out. We have a TV on one of the walls in here where sometimes we watch an exercise DVD. And keeping the girls physically active is really good for just their physical and emotional and psychological health. And so this is a room where we burn off a lot of steam and get in a lot of good workouts. As most homes, this is really the heartbeat of the house where a lot of activity takes place, and we really enjoy having meals around the table here like a regular family would, and it's where we do a lot of life. You know, we catch up over the conversations that we have during the meals. This is a place where they'll be learning about cooking and doing meal prep, and even just regular life skills like cleaning up and organizing cabinets and grocery shopping and making a list and following a calendar and keeping a schedule. So we're sitting in the sunroom, and this is one of the favorite spots when the girls are looking to find a quiet space. We have girls come out here and read books. Maybe they do their journaling time out here. You know, sometimes somebody catches a nap out here. Try to keep it just really beautiful and peaceful and calm in this area. At the end of a long day, I always love to come into the den at my home. It's where I kick my shoes off and kind of kick back after a long day and just kind of reflect on what's been going on. And that's exactly what happens in the Karis home. The girls come in here after school and just kind of decompress, do a little socializing in here, sometimes have a snack, and just a lot of life going on, day-to-day happenings right here in the living room. So one of the parts of life that might get interrupted in a young person's world when they're trafficked is that of education. So Lighthouse for Life here in Karis Home has brought school to them. This is where they come and work online on their various assignments, receive tutoring help, and catch up on the different subjects and coursework that they've done. Sometimes we go off campus on a field trip and whatnot, but we're currently standing in the room where they do school. We're in the upstairs hallway now, which is the area that's centrally located around all the different girls' bedrooms. And the area that we have up here is 4 bedrooms, and 3 of them are used by our girls, and one of them is the master suite used by our caregivers. And our caregivers are a unique part of our program in that we have a married couple who stay on campus several days each week to provide consistency. And each one of our girls has her own room. We allow them to choose the decorations and make it really personal. It's a time where we're really encouraging them to rediscover privacy versus secrecy, and to just kind of rediscover who they are, make choices and decorate and make it their own. Right now we're in the space that has been set aside for the counseling area of the home. You know, these young ladies have been through a lot, and so one of the things that Lighthouse for Life has done for Karis Home is brought in our very own social worker to be on site and offer assistance to the young ladies in counseling and helping them work through what they've faced and help them get, you know, back to a sense of normalcy. I hope that you've really enjoyed your visit. I want to say a special thanks to the folks from Florence, South Carolina that are members of the Joseph Project, and there's really been countless others who have contributed in many ways, from quilts to paintings to furniture, time spent laboring on campus. Everybody who's contributed in any way, even financially, it all goes towards a central mission of restoration. And the big idea now is that the journey is just begun. I can hardly believe my eyes as I stand in this finished project of Karis Home. And I just want to say to you that none of this would be possible without you. Each one of you have played a unique role in bringing this dream to fruition. And the thing is, our hope for the future is bright, and our goals are high, and we have ambition to continue to make an impact in the fight against human trafficking in South Carolina, and we can't do that without you. So please stay with us, continue to support, continue to give, continue to raise awareness, and let's see what we can do together in the future.